Good morning. It's 7:30. I think it's July 16th. It's been kind of wet the whole month of July, actually. There's the new Massey tractor. Burn barrels I gotta make. And we're gonna go in and get on the four-wheeler. Let's see what we have here. In the mule is diesel. Got some Cornerstone, 5 ounces to a gallon. I'm going to take you up and going to show you the field that we're trying to take care of with Johnsongrass. Alright, if you take a look there, I hit some of those that are starting to decay a little when I first, 2 days ago. So we'll see what this looks like here in a week. But you can tell this field is pretty much nothing but Johnsongrass. I need to finish basically this part out. I ran out of the Cornerstone, which is what I use. I'll talk about it later maybe, but I doubt it. If you take a look there, you can see how some of that's getting yellow. That was some of the stuff I did 2 days ago. I'm going to come down here and we'll see how good it works. It says it takes a week. The grass is wet, but you can apply it on wet grass. Okay. Come here for a second. No, I'm not giving you food today. Those are the cows, and they're all upset because they think I was going to give them food. I'll let you know when I'm going to feed you a day ahead of time. But right there is my setup. And it's, I know, and it's not very elegant. I got to fix it somewhat better. Matter of fact, I know I need to redesign the whole thing. But this is it, and this happens before a riot. Okay. No, no, no. So let me start this up and put in the chemical. All right, you can see it doing some leaking there. They're all filled up. I need to move these out here and modify these so I have some points, because grass builds up. So let me get on there and get going.